Hey everyone, Randi here. It is the 29th of September 2021. As you can see, my hair is very red now, and the light doesn't do it justice, but if you've been on my personal Facebook or in the group, you probably will have noticed. And if you aren't in the Facebook group already, you should join it. It is Random Randy's Random Family, and the link is always in the description box below the video. There's a very good reason that my hair is red like this, and people over on Facebook already know, but I know some of you don't have Facebook, so I wanted to let you all know. I got an apartment, and not just any apartment, but I ended up getting a 2-bedroom that is 800 square feet, which for an apartment in this area of Washington is positively massive. I'm so excited. So excited. It's pretty pricey, but it is within my price range, thankfully, just barely. But yeah, we are going to be moving in. October 7th is the day that I officially sign the papers and give them the rest of the money and get the keys. And I actually have enough money. And I'm so excited. And I don't know what to do with myself. Like I've mentioned before, especially, it was funny, I was talking with the guy that I've been kinda sorta seeing. Well, I guess I might as well just say I'm seeing him. We're grown-ups, you know, we're 30 and up, so we've reached the age of maybe calling someone your girlfriend or boyfriend is kind of weird. But yeah, anyway, been seeing this guy since like end of July, somewhere in that range. Yeah, anyhow, I was saying that I've been so torqued up on stress and things for so long that I don't know if I'll know what to do with myself once things settle down. I feel like the past 3 years since getting divorced have been like just nothing but an endless string of catastrophe to cataclysm to catastrophe to cataclysm and back again. And it's just, it feels like it's never ending, and the crazy is wrapping up. And I feel like my identity has become push through the chaos, just keep going. But now that there's going to be a significant decrease in chaos, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. I feel kind of lost. I'm sure a lot of you can understand that sensation too. And by the way, I've only been to Texas once. I did not get this mug the one time that I went to Texas. I actually had somebody who is a viewer of my channel and an all-around awesome lady give this to me when I got to meet her when I still lived on post. So yeah, our move-in date is October 7th, and I have to finish getting the rest of the house packed up, which honestly, if I dedicate like 2 or 3 afternoons to it when I'm done with work, it will not be a problem. I could even do it in one day if I were to dedicate an entire day to just packing and actually buckle down and freaking do it, because yeah, I have so many things in the storage unit already. The only thing left really is dishes, our clothing, and furniture. Everything else is already put away. Oh, and my tools that are out in the garage. And I have to find something to do with all of my yard work stuff, because I'm going to be in an apartment, and I don't know if we're on the ground floor. I think we might be, which would be awesome for moving in, because I have a few friends who've said that they might be able to help, but with the time that we're moving in, I don't know if I'm actually going to have any help at all. to move things. And if I don't have to drag furniture upstairs with zero assistance, that would be positively fabulous. Yeah, that's pretty much the big news. It's just that I finally got a place, you guys. Like, it's insane to me. I don't know what to do with myself. I do have a stack of bags that I'm hoping to finish sewing and get posted in the shop this week. I do have a few sets of stitch markers that are up in the shop. I have a whole ton of Halloween fabric, but I don't know if I'm going to have time to do a big run of bags cut from that fabric. I might end up just doing a small one with maybe 2 or 3 prints, because I'm not sure how quickly I'll be able to get everything settled in the new place, because I do have the boys that week, so trying to move everything in and wrangle children and pack a truck and move a truck and not have my cats escape, it's gonna be a lot. So it's funny that I said that the chaos is decreasing. That's the chaos decreasing. But that whole weekend, I'm going to have that whole weekend. I already took the days off from work that Thursday and Friday next week so that I can make sure that I have time. I want to get everything moved into the apartment by the end of the day Friday, and then be able to spend the weekend unpacking essentials. And then I take the kids to school Monday morning, and then I'll have the rest of Monday to get whatever else set and arranged I need to / want to, just kind of chill for a bit, and then I'm back to work on Tuesday. So yeah, it's, like I said, it's a lot. But in good news, getting the news that I finally have a place to be seems to have restored my creativity to astronomical levels, which I'm kind of struggling to adapt to without completely ignoring them, because I know if I completely ignore creative urges, then they're like, oh, well, we don't need this then, and then it's gone, and I don't want to completely lose it again. I've been writing, I've been sewing, I've been working on plots for stories that have had sitting in stasis for a very long time. I have been connecting with other authors on TikTok. I have a crafting TikTok that I don't know if I'm going to be posting stuff on again. Just having the YouTube channel, I know that a lot of people have had crazy amounts of growth from TikTok, but having a YouTube channel and then trying to make bite-sized videos to put on TikTok that are pretty much the same content, it's kind of a pain in the ass, and I'm not really about it. But I do have another TikTok account that I made that is all of the other weird creative stuff that I'm into. And I'm sorry I'm rubbing my eyes a lot, but I just woke up a little while ago and I fell asleep with makeup on my face like a dummy, so my eyeballs are burning and unhappy and feel like I poured sand in them right now. But anyway, my other TikTok, I honestly can't even remember the name of it, but I'll post it, and I'll post a link to it if you're interested. I'm posting bookish and writing content and witchy things and stuff related to me being an anime addict. And I follow a lot of anime content creators, like cosplayers and people who do skits and stuff, and I enjoy being present on TikTok in that capacity. I was not enjoying trying to hustle and grind with craft videos on TikTok, so I'm actually enjoying it. I don't want to kill that serotonin, because Lord knows now that the big dark is coming in Washington, meaning summer is over and it is starting to rain and be cloudy and gray pretty much all the time. I want to make sure that the seasonal affective disorder doesn't get me, because I can't afford to be down with that right now. So, I guess that's it for now, really. I just wanted to let you all know what was going on, so everybody is on the up and up with things. And rather than ramble on for a million years, I will say go check out the Facebook group. Like I said, Random Randy's Random Family. I'll, like I said, link down in the description below the video. And check out my TikTok if you're interested in my bookish stuff. And I will catch you guys all in the next one. Maybe I'll try doing a little bit of vlog style filming as we're getting things moved in and once we get settled, so you guys can see the new digs. Thank you so much to everybody who contributed to this becoming a reality in any way, shape, or form, whether that was money, sales through the shop, talking with me when you knew I was stressed out and losing my mind, just having a positive thought and thinking, I really hope she gets this place that she needs to get into because it finally paid off. And I am super, super appreciative to everybody for the thoughts and the prayers, and anybody who sacrificed a goat. Hopefully it was only a paper goat and not a real goat, because goats are creepy and cute and very interesting creatures. But anyway, thank you everybody, you're amazing, I love you, don't forget to take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys all in the next video in another week or so. Bye guys.